You're ready to get spicy? And if you have kids in the room, you might want to ask them to leave because we're getting a little spicy here. Oh, do you see everyone just went silent? It went so silent in here.
Ready
Are you
for the
guys
spice.
worried? Oh.
Ready for the spice. Hit the spice.
All right. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Dellany's sweating.
There's
like 2 beads. Oh, I just like wrecked my hair. There's 2 beads of sweat now.
Here we go.
Thank you. I hate it. That's what you need to go.
All right. 5 sex noises you should be making from Cosmo.com. Dellany, are you okay? I think you just choked.
Whoa.
You ready, Scotty?
It wasn't that noise I just made, I can tell you
I
that.
just love this couch. I don't know why I like being here so much, but I'm ready for this.
We love Cosmo. They're so helpful. Okay, at number 1, the low moan. Oh.
Can someone demonstrate? Wait, was that
Oh, dude, come on, Dellany. Oh.
Just try it. Don't do it.
That's so
The moan, the
intense.
low moan.
That's so intense.
Like a zombie?
Oh.
No, I got it from what you did. Thank
That is
you.
the low moan. Okay.
Yes.
Dellany, next one's for you.
Thanks.
The satisfied whisper.
Oh, so what would that be, Sherry Lee? Wait,
You tell me, what do you think
me?
the satisfied whisper?
Seriously? A whisper?
That was so good.
I don't know how to whisper.
Hey! Yeah, she does it. If Dellany shows
Satisfied whisper,
Dellany,
yeah.
low. Kidding.
That was so satisfying.
He's going to be confused, like, was it? Are you sure?
I'm officially just
I
embarrassed
can try
right now.
again or not.
Okay, one of
We'll
them
help her
next
out
time.
after,
Yes,
right?
please.
We'll help you out after.
After.
Okay, Dellany, maybe you can do this one. So yeah, I know you've got this one down pat. The sexy sigh. That's not sexy, Scotty.
The face.
I'm sorry. That just sounds like you're just over it.
Like,
Like, okay,
I can't hear it.
I don't know
Did you do it?
She did it. I think.
Did you hear? Try this. Okay, Dellany, 1, 2, 3 with me.
Sexy side? Okay, one.
Right? Like,
Okay.
don't stop.
Okay.
Okay. There you go. There you go.
That was sexy side all day. That was sexy side.
You did it.
That was sexy
Is
side.
Andy listening?
She's got that one down. I heard Andy turn up his earphones on that one.
And ladies,
That was it.
and all the ladies should know that when you have that one, you should always accompany it with the southern, hand over the forehead.
Oh,
Yes.
right.
And then come up and be like, "Are you hungry?" And then it's complete. He'll love you forever. Done.
Can I get you a beer? That works for
That's
Andy.
it. That's it. That's it. Boom, boom, two. Got his heart.
Can I get you
forever.
I'll get you a beer and walk your dog. Yeah.
Okay, Dellany, next one's for you. Again?
I get a break. What about Brandon over here? He's the virgin on the
I
couch.
want to hear Brandon do this next one.
Oh, okay.
The happy grunt. There you go.
Wait, the happy grunt. Like,
Yeah.
wait, happy?
Yeah, happy grunt. I just, ooh. Dellany, you got to put a little bit more into it.
That felt like it was it. That was it. That was it. That was the happy grunt.
Okay, you do it.
I can't happy grunt.
She had it.
You definitely are a happy
Someone's
grunter.
been happy grunting.
Dellany, 1, 2, 3.
Is that a grunt? I don't even.
Wow.
I'm so sorry.
These are interesting, Cosmo.
I just want to
These
say
are
this
very
is not
interesting.
truth to what my reality is,
Oh my
okay?
God.
All right, and we're all going to do this last one together. 1, 2, 3, the big finish.
Whoa. Wow.
I felt that one, Scotty.
That's a real
I
life thing.
Wow.
That's what
This
she
is in
said.
real time.
Scotty wins the award for the best
I was like,
sex
I
voice
definitely
ever.
know that one. Of all of those, Cosmo, I'm a fan of that one.
Okay.
He
Got it.
had the visual effects going.
Got it.
You felt that
I
one.
felt
Okay,
that
wait, hold
Got
on.
it.
Again, I did not hear Brandon.
Lady Brandon.
Come on.
He's like,
Okay, we gotta end this segment because that was the happy grunt. So we're
was
I'm
the happy
sweating, guys. This is okay. Now it's time. After all that, we need like a shot and something else.